Okay, we got June 7th. And I'm testing these binaural beats. Their sounds that help with pain. I've tried it. I know it works. But I wanted to make sure it wasn't placebo. So there's the speaker. See that stick right there? And look where my dog is. He crawled right up to it. His nose is touching it. Look at this. Listen carefully. I'm playing one that's meditation and relieves stress. Cody is a high-stress dog. This is live. First time I've taped him listening to it. We just went outside. We came back to lay down. And he literally just crawled up to the speaker. I laid the speaker here on purpose, see what he would do. And here he is. And he's being very calm. He literally put his nose up to the speaker. Right, Cody? Look at this. Nice and calm, Cody. Are you stressed out? Not Cody today. So, let me show you which beats we're listening to. This is a review of... I gotta pull it up on my other phone, hang on. There's Cody, man. My other dog's over there laying on the floor. Okay, we are looking at... right here. 396 hertz. It's the vibration. Now you've seen me talk about Schumann resonance, stuff like that. This is in the same ballpark of all that. They make music and they put the frequency in here. Says this one is for letting go of anxiety, worries, deep subconscious, fears, relaxing sound. Bath meditation music is good for baths. They tell you do not drive while you're listening to this. They're very dangerous. And here's what they say on their site. They're on YouTube here. I listen to a lot of their different frequencies depending on what pain I'm in. This is similar to binaural beats. There's binaural beats and there's this other one, the Sphagio or whatever, and I think that's what this one is here. Hang on. Soft musical sounds generated from water droplets and water passing through a musical pipe to create the soundtrack. This one is tuned to 396 hertz. Solfeggio frequency. The frequency associated with root chakra also, period. The music tuned to this frequency helps in removing subconscious fears, worries, and anxiety. This is for people that don't want to take medication for anxiety. This helps in activating the root chakra energy center and unblocking this fundamental energy center, thus allowing it to flow freely. Whether you're in the new age thing or not, I'm telling you, it works on a dog as a test. I test everything. When I take my thyroid medicine, it's not medicine, but when I take the thyroid drops, the iodine, it's totally pure from 6,000 feet in the ground. That I've tested and seen my blood work go from hypothyroid, if I stop taking it, to normal range, both T3, T4. And I ran out recently and I just had some blood work done, and sure enough, they want to prescribe me the Synthroid or whatever it's called. I said, hang on, let's hold off. And now I'm taking the liquid drops, and I guarantee you, and I'll show you the results, I guarantee you, by my next blood work in 2 more months, unless I get one sooner from the other doctor, the thyroid will be back to normal levels with just the iodine. Your body needs that halogen It's a halogen. It means it burns things. They used to use iodine in bread to preserve it because iodine kills germs. And now they use bromine, a derivative of bromine. Bromine's also a halogen, however, it builds up in your body and doesn't go away, same as chlorine. So if you have any swimming pool issues, I can help you with that because I've been messing with water for a very long time. Okay, and to finish this up, energy center unblocking, this fundamental root chakra unblocks. You will also experience good physical energy and a sense of security away from the worries, anxiety, hopes. Hope this music will help. Infinite love and gratitude. I can copyright that. Okay, and their website right here. If I can focus this. Meditativemind.org. I'll try and put this in the description. They're on YouTube. That's where I get their thing. And then there's the other one is the binaural beats. I like this speaker here. I got this speaker. I'll do a review on this. It's to sharper image. It's been working great. It's not the best quality like a professional, expensive one would be, but however, you turn it this way, microphone. Turn it around, you got your speaker. And then, let me turn this off real quick. I'll do a double review here real quick. So check this out. Hello. Nope, I gotta turn it on. Hello. Hello. This is Wags Chicago. Hey now. This kind of reminds me of that commercial, remember? Hey, good looking, we'll be back to pick you up later. Anybody remember that? Somebody should Google that and see if there's any Mandela stuff with that. But anyways, I'll do a review on this speaker I got at Menards, actually. Here it is. It's got all these little fancy buttons, and it's a Bluetooth. It hooks up to Bluetooth, and you can use it on any of your phones to whatever is Bluetooth acceptable. And I'm squinting because I have a super bright flash. It's activated because it's dark in here, because there's thunderstorms coming and it's dark outside at 10:30 in the morning, whatever the hell time it is. So, this is Wags Chicago. Sunday. Oh, I wish I could do voiceover for movies. That'd be so fun. But I'll do it for my own stuff now. And I want to show you one more thing. Hang on. I don't want to show you my password though. Hang on. Normally I'm outside for this stuff, but we'll just do it here. Hang on. And there's Roogie. Say hello to your fans, Roog. Hello from Ruger. Roogie Roo. There he is. Where'd you go, Roog? Hey, Roogie. There's the Roogie. Oh, he just said kiss my ass. Alright, cool. Alright, see you later, Roog. And there's a little bit of light outside there. But I want to show you the one I use for pain. It's this one here. Okay. This one's running at 528 hertz. Here's the sound. They throw a little picture in there, but I don't watch that part. I'm gonna let you listen to the sound here while I get the information. Hang on. Okay, this one, I believe is a binaural beat. These are best when you use headphones. They work a lot better. Yeah, here we go. This one is binaural beats. I'm looking for the company's info. It runs for 9 hours straight. That's why I like this one. You can play it all night while you're sleeping. And I'm trying to get you their website. Hang on. There we go. Pause it so we can hear. 528 hertz. The miracle tone, the love frequency. We'll look at Rugi while we're doing this. Rugi, you got love frequency going on, right, Rug? This special this is Solfeggio too. Solfeggio frequency is known for its great positive healing effects on the body, mind, and the environment around us. This one worked on the dogs too. They laid down the other night. I tried this before I recorded it. Here he comes because he likes the music. I'm going to put that speaker by Rugi. Let him hear it. Watch this. Here's the speaker. Hi, Rug. Alright, we got that right there for you, Rug. Okay, let's watch what he does. See if he lays down. Rugi's got a little anxiety problems too. Okay, so the love frequency and for pain, and let's see here. It's the frequency that also resonates with the solar plexus chakra, however you say that. The energy center related to self-confidence and self-esteem, and on the physical side, it governs the core functioning of our body. The color related to Solfeggio frequency is yellow. It's, look at him laying down. Look at that. The color related to this is yellow. Okay. Listening to music. Now, when I talk, the dogs sometimes get excited because a lot of times I'm yelling at my computer or TV. So they don't know when my voice goes up if I'm getting, like, my anxiety, I think, relates to the dogs and they absorb it. Anyways, this is helping all three of us. Me, old man here, Rugi, and young blood, Cody. Listen to music tuned to this frequency brings calm, and at the same time, it positively energizes the cells inside our body. It promotes healing, and DNA reparation is followed by its beneficial effects of increased amounts of energy. Now, this site is meditativemind.org, MEDITATIVEMIND. And hopefully you can see that right here. Right there. Okay, and this one's 528 hertz for healing. And the one I used for when I first ended up in the hospital, I had the lung infection or whatever the heck was going on. If you look up these issues about frequency, and I'll probably do a special on it or a show on it, at certain frequencies, cells can actually make cancer speed up. And that was at high, I think it was at like 20,000 hertz. This is 10,000 hertz here, saying it helps the pineal gland. They say the pineal gland is the one that you transport through when you die. It's like the gate to another dimension or wherever we go. So that's what they're trying to figure out, and that's what they currently believe. That somehow the pineal gland releases a certain chemical, and I guess it's like doing acid or something. I've never done that, so I have no idea, nor would I want to because of the control issues. I couldn't stand if I had ants or something crawling through the walls or whatever the hell happens to people on acid. I don't know. But supposedly the pineal gland dumps, I think it's DMT it's called, it's from a tree bark or something, but I don't know, I'm not an expert at this stuff, but all I know is it works on me, and now I tested on my dog, and both dogs chill out immediately. I'd like to take this to a kennel with that speaker which I may end up doing, and see if I can calm a bunch of barking dogs down at one time. So I've heard a rumor that has happened in the past, and if that is able to happen, I want to document that. So you guys have a great day. Trying to do something a little positive for a change. Look at him laying there. He hears that sound. Look at that. What is that, Rook? You hear this? What's the sound, Rook? You hear this? Hear the vibration in there? I'm gonna touch him with it. You hear that, Rook? What is that, Rook? He's definitely listening to it. You see it, Roy? That's not even that close to him. Do you see it? What is that, Rook? So, anybody at home that has a dog, especially one that may be anxious, try these frequencies so you can prove to yourself it works. That way it's not a placebo. Even if it was a placebo, at least it's working. So, it's getting a little long here. I'm going to sign out for now. It's raining out, so you won't see no chemtrail or stratospheric injections and all that stuff. We ain't doing none of that today. So, I wanted to go on the lighter side of news, tell you about these frequencies. You may or may not believe in it. I don't care. I'm just letting you know what works for me and is working now for this dog that is chilling out. Crawled up, and then you saw Cody earlier. He literally crawled up and put his nose up against this speaker. The speaker's on this side. Microphone this side. So it was over here. My other dog, the anxious one for sure, puts his nose right there. All right, everybody have a great day. Wag Chicago is 10:42, and that's all she wrote.